These are questions of AI 900 Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. To get the complete list of questions and answers, click on the playlist link provided in the description. Our question is, you are building a chatbot that will use natural language processing to perform the following actions based on the text input of the user: accept customer orders, retrieve support documents, retrieve order status updates. Which type of NLP should you use? Option A, sentiment analysis. Option B, translation. Option C, language modeling. Option D, named entity recognition. The correct answer is option D, that is named entity recognition. Our next question. You have an AI solution that provides users with the ability to control smart devices by using verbal commands. Which two types of natural language processing workloads does the solution use? Option A, text to speech. Option B, translation. Option C, language modeling. Option D, key phrase extraction. Option E, speech to text. The correct option is C and D, that is language modeling and key phrase extraction. Our next question. An app that analyzes social media posts to identify their tone is an example of which type of natural language processing workload? Option A, sentiment analysis. Option B, key phrase extraction. Option C, entity recognition. Option D, speech recognition. The correct answer is option A. The next one. You have an AI based loan approval system. During the testing, you discover that system has a gender bias. Which responsible AI principle does this violate? Option A, accountability. Option B, transparency. Option C, fairness. Option D, reliability and safety. The correct answer is option C, that is fairness. The next question. You have a custom question answering solution. You create a bot that uses the knowledge base to respond to customer request. You need to identify what the bot can perform without adding additional skills. What should you identify? Option A, register customer complaints. Option B, answer questions from multiple users simultaneously. Option C, register customer purchases. Option D, provide customers with return materials authorization members. The correct answer is option B. And next question. Which machine learning technique can be used for anomaly detection? Option A, a machine learning technique that understands written and spoken languages. Option B, a machine learning technique that classifies objects based on user supplied images. Option C, a machine learning technique that analyzes data over time and identifies unusual changes. Option D, a machine learning technique that classifies images based on their contents. The correct answer is option C. That is a machine learning technique that analyzes data over time and identifies unusual changes. Our next question is, your company manufactures widgets. You have 1000 digital photos of the widgets. You need to identify the location of the widgets within the photos. What should you use? Option A, computer vision spatial analysis. Option B, custom vision object detection. Option C, custom vision classification. Option D, custom vision image analysis. The correct answer is option B.